Hey everybody, Dr. Price here. Today is Tuesday. It's the middle of spring break. I hope everybody's enjoying their time with their family and with the kids being out of school. And God, man, this beautiful weather. I know I'm enjoying being home with the family. In fact, if you hear some yelling in the background, I've got 4 kids back there playing and crying and talking and laughing. But I had several patients today ask me why their pain had gotten worse over the last week, especially since I had been out of the office, and asking me whether or not their treatments were working. And I explained to them, and I wanted to explain to you, that that's actually a good sign. That tells us that we are making progress. That tells us that your body is responding to the adjustments and you're progressing. And once we stop the treatment for whatever reason, whether I'm out because of the baby coming, or whether you miss an appointment because you get busy with work, or something like that happens, whatever the reason is that we miss an appointment, the pressure is not off that nerve long enough, and so the nerve may regress back a little bit. Now, does that mean you're back at point zero? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. But if we waited 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or depending on how severe your case and how long you'd been out of treatment, we could get back to ground zero and begin going back down the path that you were going before you even started treatment. So it's important to understand that it is a good sign that you started having an increase in symptoms when we discontinue the treatment, because it shows we're on the right track, and that by taking the pressure off the nerve, by removing the subluxation, your body is actually healing. Now, does that mean that you're going to have to go this same frequency for the rest of your life? Absolutely not. We're in the process of retraining the bones, letting the nerves heal, letting the muscles heal, and as that happens, you can go longer and longer between adjustments, and eventually you can get to where you can go for a period of time without it being a problem. I still recommend adjustments once a week just to maintain. That's what I do for myself, but sometimes I go a month. I've even gone 2 months, recently when I got really, really busy without an adjustment, and I still had no pain. It was time. I hadn't got to the point of symptoms though. So that's just something to keep in mind, that if you did experience a little bit of a flare-up or a little bit of a setback during this last week when I was out, then that's actually a good process, or a good thing that we are in the right track. All right, everybody take care. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, my hope for you is that we take control of our health before our health takes control of us. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.